disconnected. Recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out for a ride today. I'm actually over here by Parker Canyon Lake. This is Montezuma Canyon Road. You can actually see the lake right over there. Thought I'd just ride over here today. It's probably 30, 40 miles of back road the way I come from Sierra Vista, Arizona, back through here to this. It's a long ride. I mean, as far as dirt roads go. But we're going to go over here and just check out the lake, around the roads around the lake anyway. I've been over here to it before, but I've not really explored much around it. So I thought I'd ride around it today and just see what kind of roads there is around it. I don't think there's much. I wish there was more, but I don't think there's that much. We do have some houses, people live over here. So if you don't want to go dirt road to this, you can actually take this Highway 83 from SENA, Arizona, and you can come down this way to it. I don't know if they got this all closed down this time of year or what, because this is pretty much the first of the year, close to it. Parker Canyon Lake, Coronado National Forest. It's really pretty over in here. And this lake is actually only like, I think, 5 miles from the Mexico border. Shore, boat launch. We'll go this way first, I guess, to see what's down this way. Yeah, Marina Store and boat launch is this way. Lakeview Rock Bluff is that way. We'll go down here first. Cars, boat launch, everything down here. There's a place over here on the left, or on the right, sorry, where you can park your truck and trailer after you unload your boat. Boat launch, vehicle parking, right up in there. There's some people down here. Looks like some people fishing off of the dock down here. So it is pretty cool. They got some picnic tables here, some barbecue grills. Over here they have a little store, and at that store they have some groceries and snacks and lots of different things. Not a bad little store. Over here we have the little dock right there, boat launch and dock. People kayaking out there. There's a duck, and this kid down here is trying to feed the duck, but the duck's taking off. And over here you can see another little dock. That's where people's out there fishing. Beautiful little lake. Got bears around here. That's why they got them bear-proof trash cans. Okay, we'll go up this way. I haven't been up this way. This is just a little vehicle parking right here. No camping. Looks like this is just going to loop back around and come back out. Up above here where the people have the boat trailers parked. It looks like they're still open, because the store was open, people around here, so I'd say this is a year-round thing here, which is really cool. Let's see, now I haven't been this way, I think. Looks like we're going to go around to the south side of the lake. So it looks like here on the Garmin Zoom OXT. It is beautiful today. What's the temperature say? It says 61. But here in Arizona, boy, when that sun's out like this, on a day like this, it feels warmer than 61. It's really nice out here. Yeah, I can see the lake over here on my left now, so I definitely haven't been over here. Camping, a permit only. Motorhomes and trailers on the right. We definitely got some up here right now. Go up in there and look so y'all can see it. $20 fee per site per day. I don't think they're going to have any, I don't know if they have electric or not, but I'm sure they don't have sewer. I don't see electric at any of these yet. They do have some vault style bathrooms over here. Yeah, I don't see any electric over here. But it's surprising this time of year. This is December 30th, and there's people camping out here. You don't see much of that in the Ozarks this time of year, but it's a lot colder. There's another vault bathroom here. Yeah, so you don't have to walk too far. Then we go down here, looks like there's just going to be a little loop. Nice little campground. You will be camping with no electric or no sewer connection or water or anything that I can see. You know there's not water usually when they have vault bathrooms like that. No outlet. Okay, so this is probably maybe tent camping over here. But it still says $20 per day over here. Now that's, you get camp RVs here too. They got places for RVs. Another vault bathroom. Little parking spot there. Got some bear-proof trash cans. And the lake is just right over there. Directly in front of me too. I don't think there's no lake access right here, only by foot. Got some day use places. Well, some tent sites down in there too, on the lower part. We'll go on this one that says no outlet and see where this goes. I think it was this one. No, that's the campsite. I'm turning the wrong one. It's right here. Right here. Let's see where this goes. It may go down to the lake. On the other side, on the south side of the lake. So there may be another boat ramp down here. I don't know. Deer going right off down in there. No camping or picnicking here. That's pretty much the end of the road. Whatever this is down here, it's shut off, so you can't go no further. It shows a road. It's a shame because it shows a long road going out through there. Eat fish smart. You may eat the following at any time. There's nothing under there. But yeah, we can't go through there. Oh, well, I guess we can if it's unlocked. It says please close the gate. But I bet you it's locked. That looks pretty locked to me. guys. You could go in there. It says Rock Bluff group site, but that road goes on further through. Who knows? But this is pretty sweet. So all of Arizona is not desert. There's some lakes around. There's trout in here. I think it's a daily limit of 4, about like there is in Missouri. Trout in this lake. So me and the wife need to come over here in the spring and do some trout fishing. We got to get our Arizona fishing license. But that is all there is, guys, to Parker Canyon Lake in southern Arizona. Very cool. There's some motorcycles there. Lakeview Campground. Well, that's only on some of the sites anyway. Okay, guys, that's it for Parker Canyon Lake. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.